Na ito ay pinagdiriwang natin, bukod na ito ay mandated, itong celebration ng National Disability Rights Week, mandated po ito ng Proclamation number 597 series of 2024 na kailangan natin i-celebrate from July 17 to 23 of each year. Ang theme po for this year is Rights First, Legislation Forward, Strategic Action for Equal Participation and Inclusive Development. So far, in line with this celebration ngayon dito sa San Pablo, in-invite po, nakipag-collaborate po tayo sa DSWD Provincial Office at noong July 9, nagkaroon po ng orientation on Sustainable Livelihood Program. At salamat sa Diyos at may mga umattend pong mga persons with disabilities, both presidents and representatives from from different barangays, together with the solo parents also na naging recipients po. At tuwang-tuwa po sila dahil marami po silang natutunan with regards to how they could avail this program under ng DSWD. And on July 20 po, para po doon sa katugunan ng mga pangangailangan ng mga lalong-lalo na ang may nasa autism spectrum at saka may mga ADHD, at iba pang merong mental, learning, and intellectual disabilities and psychosocial disabilities, dahil sa pangangailangan nila ng assessment so that they would be able to get PWD ID card at saka ma-avail din po ang mga iba pang programs ng government. Ito po ay natugunan noong July 20 na nagkandak po tayo ng psychological assessment, and we had 50 recipients of that program, and actually 2 years na po ito na ginagawa. At sa susunod, may manakapila na po na magkakaroon tayo ng another batch of this program. And then, noong 21st, nagkaroon din po tayo during the culmination ng ating program for our NDRW celebration. Nagkaroon din po tayo ng orientation on cooperatives. Nakipag-collaborate po tayo sa ating City Cooperatives Office. At their team were able to discuss din po how this group of vulnerable groups ng persons with disabilities, na paano sila matulungan to have a cooperative so that they would be able to have a source of livelihood din po. So malaking tulong ito ng mga kaalaman para matulungan ang ating sektor, mga kapwa natin may kapansanan. Sa ganun ay in one way or another, they would be able to economically thrive.